Simple present tense are I am buying hand gloves at the pharmacy. Present continuous tense are I am wearing hand gloves right now. Present perfect tense are I have used hand gloves. Present perfect continuous tense are you have forgotten your hand gloves.
Simple present tense are usually autoclave installed in the laboratory. Present continuous tense are the analyst student will try to operation autoclave at the next week. Present perfect tense are Staikas Muhammadiyah has an autoclave in the laboratory. Present perfect continuous tense are I learned autoclave operation when I was in vocational high school 2 years old.
For example, simple present tense are I take the temperature with a thermometer into the patient's hand. Present continuous are I'm using a thermometer now. Present perfect tense are I have worked with thermometer. Present perfect continuous tense are I have been working with the thermometer in the laboratory for 1 week.
Simple present tense example I use a stethoscope every day. Present continuous tense example I'm using stethoscope every day. Present perfect tense example I have used stethoscope yesterday. Present perfect continuous tense example I have been using stethoscope for the last 2 hours.
Simple present tense example I use Green tube. Present continuous tense example she is using the Green tube. Present perfect tense example I have worked with Green tube. Present perfect continuous example I have working with the Green tube at the laboratory for a week now.
For example, simple present tense are I heat the liquid using a glass beaker. Present continuous tense are I am using the beaker glass right now. For example, present perfect tense are I have worked with glass beaker. For example, present perfect continuous tense are the beaker glass helped me a lot in the laboratory for 2 weeks now.
Simple present tense. For example, I read the volume of the measuring glass liquid. Present continuous tense. For example, I am measure the volume of the measuring glass liquid now. Present perfect tense. For example, I have measured the volume of the measuring glass liquid. Present perfect continuous tense. For example, I have been reading the volume of the measuring glass liquid since an hour ago.
Simple present tense are I weigh glucose with a balance. Present continuous are I'm usually using a balance sheet. Present perfect tense are I will use the balance sheet. Present perfect continuous tense I have been using the balance sheet in the laboratory for 1 week until now.
Simple present tense. Example, I transfer the liquid using a pipette. Present continuous tense. Example, I'm using a pipette in the lab now. Present perfect tense. Example, I have a pipette at home. Present perfect continuous tense. Example, I have used the pipette in the laboratory for 1 week until now.
Simple present tense are I inject the patient in the hand. Present continuous tense are I use an injection now. Present perfect tense I have worked with injection. Present perfect continuous tense are I have been working with injection in the laboratory for 2 weeks.